actress marked her born day by posting a series of photos taken by celebrity photographer Shira Luna a year ago. In the photos, Liza can be seen enjoying a rainbow cake. They say you can't have your cake and eat it too, but life is short, so watch me try. Here's to 26. Liza said in the caption. Been holding on to these amazing concept photos I shot with the incredible at Shira Luna a year ago. We were even joking about using them for my 26th birthday post. Jokes on you, team. I can finally put this to good use, she added. Liza made sure to thank those who sent her loving message, saying she's grateful for everyone who makes me feel special by showing their love and support today and every day. In February 2023, Liza reintroduced herself as Hope after signing up to be managed by James Reid talent agency, Careless, in 2022. She also shared her thoughts on Philippines entertainment, working behind the camera and love teams. Liza will make her Hollywood debut in the movie, Lisa Frankenstein, alongside Catherine Newton and Cole Sprouse. It will premiere on February 9, 2024. Happy birthday, Liza Soberano!